Tell me what you see in me.
They were just playing Indian music right now and I was grooving. I wanted to send you a video. When they play it, I'll show you. Maybe you'll know the song. I got my umbrella and Chaco. It's my cousins. You want to be in my YouTube vlog? Oh, that's what you want. Okay, never mind. Race ramp. Everything's closed. I don't know why. But they're singing, playing 80 music, and I'm just vibing. I'm feeling the vibe, that's what I am. It's hot though. It is hot. Italy V, shop my new store. It's called the Million Mall. The Million Mall? Yeah, the Million Mall. I still need to get used to it. I just barely came up with this like yesterday. Something easy, cute, fun to remember. The Million Mall. I thought that lady was running to come be in my YouTube vlog, but she didn't. She just wasn't. She was trying not to run into me. But yeah, I'm talking. It used to be a lot more lively. There used to be like cows, and they would poop. And it was called Cow Plop Game. It was bingo cow plop game, and they would poop over there. And there was a tractor, like a hayride, like a pumpkin patch kind of hayride style thing. There was like a whole bunch of RVs right here. They were barbecuing and stuff. It was like a party. Now it's like a hangout, which is still cool. It's still like a nice little cool fair. I'm just hanging out. I'm so hot though. This is where I'd play basketball. We play basketball with all the boys. We play football with the boys over here. You know. And kickball. All right. I'm like embarrassed because I'm vlogging. And a lot of people are looking at me. And when I'm gonna stop vlogging, it's just gonna be like I'm back into the real world instead of this world right here. You know, when I vlog, I just block everyone out. And now when I'm done vlogging, I have to face the reality of what I've just done. Italy V, checking out right now. Bye bye. Me encantan las luces como así. Me recuerdo como es Feliz Navidad, pero no es otoño todavía. Ay, how do I say I almost dropped? 제 핸드폰을 아직 떨어뜨렸어요. That means I almost dropped my cell phone. 핸드폰. And then there's a sweet shop. You take pictures. There's some fresh vanilla extract and some fresh bread, some fresh eggs, some fresh peach, apple pie filling peach. Oh yeah, look at this is where the fresh vanilla extract is from. I've never seen fresh vanilla extract before.
Quick game. Can you guess the famous European city? Comment below. answers next video.